Howdy, my name is Mark Garrison with Micro Measurements. I'm one of the technical sales managers, and today I wanted to go over our GAK-2-200 kit to help you get started with everything you needed to put down strain gauges. The kit comes in this handy toolbox, and inside it you get an M-Bond 200 kit, catalyst and adhesive. You get a 1 ounce bottle of M-line rosin solvent after you've soldered your wires, a 1 ounce bottle of M-Code A, 25-foot spool 361A 20R25 solder, lead-based solder, an assortment of bondable terminals, PDT-3 drafting tape, and you also get PCT-3M. This is the old spool. Our supplier made us switch to a larger 3 times the amount of installation tape, and it's called PCT-3M. So you'll get one of those. And then 2 2-ounce bottles. One is MCA1 conditioner, and the other is MN5A Neutralizer. Then you get a package of CSP1 cotton swabs, a package of GSP1 gauze sponges, 2 spools of wire, 1 single strand 134-AWP, and then our most common wire, 326-DFV, which is the red, white, and black 3-conductor 26 gauge vinyl insulation wire, and then 3 rolls of our grit paper, SCP-3, which is 400 grit, SCP-1, which is 220 grit, and SCP-2, which is 320 grit. And it leaves you plenty of space over if you want to throw in a piece of glass to prep your gauges with, ATS-2 toolkit to handle all your tools that you need, some extra gauges, and everything else that you might need to take with you, all in one convenient location.